Hi friends, today in this video, I'm going to make a high frequency inverter mini driver for this high frequency ferrite core transformer with these numbers of secondary windings and primary windings. You simply get this ferrite core transformer from a old ATX supply board and rewind it for this inverter. You first need a pair of IRF 3205 MOSFETs and bend the pins like this. Solder pin 2 of both MOSFETs with secondary side of transformer like this. Take 10 kilo ohms of resistors and solder between pin 3 and 1 of both MOSFETs. Now connect pin 3 of both MOSFETs together. Use a 1000 UF capacitor and solder positive with center tap of transformer and negative side with pin 3 of MOSFETs. Solder the extension pins for easy connections. Now it's time to make this tiny high frequency driver. So, I designed the simple oscillator circuit diagram for this project, using TL494 PWM-IC. Here goes the 12-volt DC input. And here on pin 5, I used 47 NF capacitor, and on pin 6, I used 220 ohms resistor. These both are responsible for setting frequency and duty cycle. And from pin 9 and 10, we get output through 33 ohms resistors which will be fed to MOSFETs. For easy assembly, I converted the schematics into the PCB layout. And the PCB is going to be look like this. You can download both circuit diagram and PCB files, link is in video description. In order to manufacture this PCB, go to the video description, and with this link sign up on JLCPCB website. JLCPCB provides easy, affordable, and reliable PCB and PCBA solutions, empowering electronic engineers to develop projects efficiently. Just upload your Gabber file here. To get instant quote and order in minutes, it is easy as online shopping. After uploading, you can see the preview of the PCB. You can also change quantity and color of the PCB as per your requirements. Quality and lead time is reliable, all in-house production, ensuring stability and strict quality control in every process, and lightning fast PCB production, in just 24 hours. And then you can save to the cart for the checkout process. Also don't miss JLCPCB's 6-layer PCB special, get $30 off with a coupon, and enjoy top quality 6-layer PCBs, plus 2 UENIG finish, and no engineering fees for wire-in pads. Within some days I got my order from JLCPCB delivered. And the quality of the PCBs is amazing, and 5 pieces is for just $2. And now it is time to assemble the PCB. So, let's place all the components on the PCB according to the circuit diagram. And after spending some time with the soldering process, I cleaned the PCB with isopropyl alcohol. And here our PCB is looking nice and clean. Now install the TL494 IC into the IC base. Connect the connectors. Now let's check the output frequency using this mini oscilloscope. As you can see, the output frequency is set to 25 kHz with 50% duty cycle. Now let's move to the next part. Now it's time to connect this oscillator circuit with MOSFETs. Connect oscillator output with gate pins of both MOSFETs. Connect the oscillator negative with source of MOSFETs. And connect positive with center tap of transformer. Now connect the lamp holder with secondary winding of transformer. I used lab bench power supply and set voltage of 12.5 volts. Connect DC positive to center tap of transformer and negative with source of MOSFETs. As you can see, the no-load current is only 0.2 ampere. Now let's connect the load. As you can see, the lamp is glowing very bright and pulls 5.4 amperes of current. Now with more load, I tested with 12-volt battery and it is working awesome. If you enjoyed the video, give a thumbs up. For more useful videos, subscribe the channel. Also check out these recommended videos. Thanks for watching.